Hey guys, welcome back to Giselle Gomez, and today we're going to be making jiggly slime. So let's just get on to the video. So first we're going to be adding glue. Okay, I added some mix. We are going to be adding some water. Okay. Then we are going to be adding some baking soda.
Okay, I don't care. You wanted to play, right? So now you go play. I don't want to hear crying.
No crying, because I'm making a video. And then I'm going to add my scent.
Let me see your eyes. Okay, don't start doing shit, okay?
Sorry for the music in the background. It's just my dad's putting some music on it. Okay. Then we're going to add some pink food coloring. Okay. Then we're going to add some consequence. Okay, I'm going to put some consequence. I'm going to put 3 drops or 4 if you want. Like if yours is really sticky, but mine's not that much, so I'm going to put 3 drops and you start eating it. On your hands actually.